nature's colorful wall. As the leaves are on their last verge before they fall down completely and the trees become naked, the travel, the drive, the beauty is just breathtaking. You can just be lost in the nature. The beautiful, vibrant colors, the color combination, the hustling of the leaves, the wind. It's just so beautiful and serene. Like you can drive for hours and hours and hours, and this never ending beauty is just all over like a nature's colored wall, painted with such rich, vibrant colors. Love fall.